Ooh. His little tiny hiccups.
But what I have is I have a power pack, and I can run my laptop off of that for like 15 hours.
I'm gonna bump the speeds up again.
And I have a light connect built in, so instead of having a battery pack for this is such a cost to take it. Yeah. I think it takes 20 hours to recharge it. You can recharge it off your... No, I don't know. I haven't opened it up. I just brought it up. But I know that I can plug it in the unit and charge it off a wall or off. But I bought it for my campus, so that if I was out and about, I didn't have.
You're just doing everything for this video, huh?
And I have to run on car battery. I have to run off my solar bank for that night.
Were you guys ever able to get any information about Fisher House?
I'll stop somewhere. I just